In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Steam Mature content settings. By the end, you'll have updated your Steam Store preferences to show or hide mature content categories and saved those changes. First, open Steam. You should see the main Steam window with the Store, Library, and Community tabs across the top. Next, click your profile name. You'll find it at the top right of the Steam window. This opens your account menu. Click Account Details. This takes you to your account management page where you can control your store and privacy settings. From here, go to Store Preferences. Click the Store Preferences link to open the page that controls what types of content you see in the Steam Store. Now, find the Mature Content section. Scroll down until you reach the area specifically labeled for mature content. This section contains checkboxes for the types of mature content you can allow or hide in your browsing experience. Check or uncheck options. If a box is checked, that type of mature content can appear in the Steam Store, search results, and on game pages. If a box is unchecked, Steam will hide that content from your view. Take a moment to read the labels next to each option so you only enable what you're comfortable seeing. Make your selections carefully. You can always return to this page later if you want to adjust these settings again. Once you've set the options the way you want, click Save. Look for the Save button on the page and click it to confirm your changes. Give it a moment to apply. Your updated preferences will now control what mature content Steam shows or hides as you browse the store. At this point, your Steam mature content settings are updated and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.